The next part of timing that I would like to talk about is counting in slows and quicks. So that's something we use a lot in ballroom dancing also. Slows and quicks, and the reason that we use that is because a slow takes 2 counts of the music, 1, 2. A quick takes a single count of the music. So if I say slow, quick, quick, it would be 1, 2 for the slow, because it takes 2 counts of the music. And if I say quick, quick, it would be 1, 2. So that makes 4 beats of the music. So sometimes when there's 4 beats of the music, we're not stepping on every single beat. Sometimes we're going slower and then we're speeding up. This is going to be in some of the dances again that we do next week, but especially in the rumba lesson. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the same movement that we did in waltz, and you can see it kind of had that nice sort of flowing action, and we're going to make it more Latin-y, and we're going to give it more of that characteristic, but more of the timing is really what we're focusing on today. So the timing, I'm going to count what we do in slows and quicks. And we are going to do more weight changes. So in the waltz, where we just took 1 step and then tapped or touched, when we do this for the rumba timing, or any of the other dances that use this slow, quick, quick timing, or any time we want to add that timing into our flow, we can do weight changes. So here's what this is going to look like. You're going to step. Well, actually, I'll do it first so you can see it. I'm going to step slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now what's happening is I'm going in all 4 directions that we just did in the waltz, but instead of holding that count, we're actually taking steps in that first position in place. So if you're the follower and I'm the leader, you're going to go back with your right foot as I go forward with the left. And we're going to count this slow. And knowing that that is like saying 1, 2. But because we're only taking 1 step, if I said 1, 2, that might confuse you. But if I say slow, you think of only one thing that you're doing. We're taking 1 step, but we're taking it a little slower. Slow, then we're going to bring our feet together and change weight with a quick, quick. At this point, your left foot should be free, and you're going to step towards me with your left foot on a slow. And then you're going to bring your feet together and change weight for a quick, quick. Now we're going to go to the side to your right, slow. Bring your feet together and change weight, quick, quick. To the other side, slow, and feet together, quick, quick. By saying slow, quick, quick, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it makes it easier. Now I'll show you the 1, 2, 3, 4 just so you can see why it is easier to do the slows and quicks. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I have to really be careful not to move too fast because I'm saying 2 words. My body and mind want me to move on each one of those words. So if I'm only saying slow and I say it a little bit slower, so it takes the same time, quick, quick, you can say quick pretty quick, but slow, quick, quick. Slow it down, speed it up. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So let me turn around and follow me in that, and I'm going to again say the timing as we do it, remembering that we're doing the weight changes now. So stepping back with our right foot on slow, we're going to bring our feet together and say quick, quick. Right now I should be ready to step forward with the left foot, slow. then quick, quick. To the side, to the right, slow, quick, quick. To the side, to the left, slow, and quick, quick. We'll do that one more time. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So you can see I did the same action as far as going to all four directions like I did in the waltz, but it becomes much different and it allows me to add a different character to match the mood of the music. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm going to start by doing it with my back towards you and adding the hoop in. So here we go with coordinating all of these things together. You are welcome to practice this several times. I don't expect you to do it the first time necessarily, for sure, unless you've already done some of these dances before. It's just something that you're going to need to keep practicing. So let's go ahead and add the hoop in. Go ahead and bring it up as we start, back with our right, and it's slow, quick, quick, bringing it to our right side. Now you can obviously go the other direction if you want to. This is just one single way to approach this. Now going forward with our left foot, slow, quick, quick, to the side, to the right. The hoop comes over to the left side, slow, quick, quick, and back to the original position, slow, quick, quick. So here we go again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So what's most important about this lesson is not really the dances yet, because that's going to be coming in next week, but just understanding different timings. Like different timings can change up what you do really dramatically. So here we go, and let me do that facing you now. So you're the follower, I'm the leader. Let's bring our hoop back here to the back, and we'll see if we can add that in right away. So you're going back with your right foot as I come towards you. And we're going to bring it to our side, slow, quick, quick. Stepping towards me with your left foot and bringing the hoop to the front. Slow, quick, quick. To the side, to your right, bringing the hoop to the opposite side. Slow. And then our quick, quick. And then returning it to the back as we move to the left. Slow, quick, quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on a different kind of music so that you can see how that actually, very similar, I'm doing the same thing with the hoop, but it can change the mood and the idea by changing the timing. Here we go with the music. So let's go ahead and put our hoop here, but we'll just do the feet to start with. So starting back with your right foot. Here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick to the side, slow, quick, quick, slow. One more time, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. This time slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. One more time, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Let's go ahead and do it the other way. I'll do it without the hoop first. Here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Let's add the hoop. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Now let's go ahead and just do the easier version. You know, I started with the harder one first, but if you struggle with that, this is going to be easier to get going. You're going to be following by going back first. slow, quick, quick, forward. So we're just going to go in this back and forward. So let's get ready to add the hoop. Here we go. Side, forward, side, back. Again, the timing that we're using, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Let's go to the side, no hoop, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's add the hoop. Here we go. Slow. Quick, quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick. I'll go ahead and turn around. Let's start with the back and forward first. No hoop. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. And then let's add the hoop. Here we go. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And then we'll do one more. I'll put the music back on for a little bit more side to side. Okay, so the side to side. Without the hoop first. Two are right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Remember we're doing those weight changes. And let's add in the hoop. I'm looking forward to sharing with you some of those dances next week with the waltz and the rumba that we just did, adding in some salsa and foxtrot, all different ideas from different dances that you can piece together, or you can stay in one mode of one dance while you're flowing too. Either way, it makes it interesting. What I really wanted for you for today is to understand some different timings and how timings affect how you move with the music and how you portray what you're doing with your hoop. So play with that today, and we'll see you on the next lesson.